success, we are going to celebrate strength, and we're going to celebrate what binds us together as a country, as a nation.
It is up to us as a citizen of any country how you hold your flag high and how you believe in the philosophy of nation first.
At the end of all this celebration, you will again focus on the purpose for which you have come to India.
You are not just a student body representing here gaining knowledge. You are the ambassadors of tomorrow, and the accountability which is put on your shoulders is massive. Own it and own it well.
This is the beginning of a fruitful relationship between the Gambia and Manav Rachna University.
The experience at Manav Rachna was wonderful.
Learning great things at study labs.
Sports, especially football activities.
Filled with exciting activities.
Engage with other students and enjoying the campus environment.
It was a day to remember.